today. It's me again, Teacher Jenny. Today is Wednesday, November 18th, 2020. Now, for our Wednesday first session, we are going to study Blueprint 2, Unit 2, Small Talk, page 21. For this lesson, we are going to talk about Part D, E, and F. We are also reviewing our previous lesson, Describe the Weather for today. And our new lesson is about grammar practice, use the language. Now, before we proceed to our new lesson for today, let's have a quick review from our previous lesson. Our review is Describe the Weather for today. Now, can you tell me what is the weather today, everyone? It says here, Wednesday, 18th of November. As you can see, everyone, the weather for today, Wednesday, November 18th, 2020 is 32 degrees Celsius. It's kinda sunny and light wind. So this is our weather for today. Now let's move on to our new lesson for today, Grammar, Part D. Now for this lesson, everyone, let's read the grammar. Simple present questions with what and how, and also intensifiers. Now for first column, we have what, how, plus verb, plus subject, open and close parenthesis, plus more information and question mark. Now here's are the questions. How are you? How does Alicia like the cake? What's the weather like? What does Chris do? What do you think of this weather? Now here's the answers. How are you? I'm great. How does Alicia like the cake? She says it's delicious. What's the weather like? It's sunny and dry. What does Chris do? He's a teacher. What do you think of this weather? I don't like it. It's too hot. I think it's amazing. Now, let's move on to our second column. Down below, we have what do you think of, the question mark, and how do you like, question mark, are both invitations to tell your opinion. How about plus noun, question mark, can be used in informal English to ask for an opinion. Here's the example. How about this weather? The answer is, in answers, remember to add an S for third person singular subjects. Another question is, how about that game? So here's the example. She really likes it. Now, let's move on to our intensifiers. We have so, quite, not quiet, okay? Quite, really, and such. So here's the examples. First column, we have S for subject plus B plus intensifier plus the adjective. So here's the examples. It's really hot. She's so cold. We're quite good. Now, another example in here, we have subject plus B plus such, open and close parenthesis, plus article. Next is plus adjective and plus noun. Here's the examples. It's such an old song. They're such bad students. You're such a good cook. Did you get it, everyone? Alright. Let's try this practice. What do you think of this weather? Can you tell me, everyone? Great. So for a simple answer, it's like, I think it's scary. Now, if we put an intensifier words to this sentence, it could be, it's so scary. Now, try this one exercise. How do you like your room? Write down your answer in your group. Share your answer. Share your answer, everyone. Now, for our second lesson for today, we have grammar practice. Part E. Now, for this one, you are going to answer with me. Circle the correct answers. Alright, so let's start. Number 1, house or what's Josh? Which one is the correct answer, everyone? House. House, Josh? Great. Next, number 2, house or what's Josh like? Great. What's Josh like? What's? Next, number 3, what do you think or how do you like of this school? Great. What do you think of this school? Great job. Next, number 4, what do you think or how do you like your cake? Great job. How do you like your cake? Next, number 5. He's so or such fast. What's the correct answer, everyone? So. He's so fast. Next, number 6. It's such a or so big dog. What's the correct answer, everyone? Great job. It's such a big dog. Next, let's move on to number 7. Roberto is quite tired. So which one is the correct answer? Good job. Quite. Roberto is quite tired. Number 8. What do or are they like to eat? Very good. What do they like to eat? Number 9. What's or what your name? Of course. What's your name? Very good. Next, number 10. How or how are you feeling? How are you feeling? Great job. Next, number 11. Next, number 11. You're such or such a good teacher. Very good. You're such a good teacher. Next, for our last exercise or practice for today, number 12. That's such a or such great story. Very good. That's such a great story. So this is our second lesson, everyone, grammar practice. Now, for our third lesson, use the language, part F, weather forecast. Number 1, find a local weather forecast for the next week. Discuss the forecast with a partner. Number 2, write a paragraph about the weather for the next week. Read your paragraph to your partner. Alright everyone, I know all of you are working or studying at home. Now, what you are going to do is find a local weather forecast for the next week and discuss this one in the group. Also, write a paragraph about the weather for the next week. Read your paragraph in the group. So that is your third lesson for today, part F, use the language. Now, for your exercise for today, answer the following questions. Weather and time worksheet. Number 1, what is the date today? Number 2, what time is it now? Number 3, what's the weather like today? Number 4, what season will be next? Number 5, which month of the year you like most and why? Number 6, what time do you usually get up and why? So answer these questions everyone and write down your answers into your notebook. Don't forget to send all your answers to your teacher's personal telegram so you can get your scores for today's exercise for this lesson. So that's it everyone. That's the end of our first session everyone, Blueprint 2. I'll see you again for our second session. Goodbye everyone.